Alright, this is another original. It's called Counting Raindrops. As I sit and count raindrops, 1, 2, 3, 4, then they fall. Hesitation in that moment, and then each one drops the ball. And they thought it was a choice. Yes, they thought who had a choice. Truly believed it could be different, but it's bound to go the same. And it doesn't matter anyway. Who gives a fuck about what they say? It doesn't matter in the end. We're chasing pipe dreams around the next bend. As I sit and count a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4 is just enough. And my hands along the sidewalk, feel it's cold and wet and rough. And I thought we had a chance. Yes, I thought we had a chance. Did you believe that we were different? It was bound to go the same. It doesn't matter anyway. Who gives a fuck about what they say? It doesn't matter in the end. We're chasing pipe dreams around the next bend. As I sat there counting raindrops, each one fell down to the ground. In the air for just a moment, then they landed with a sound. And they thought that they could fly. They thought that they could fly. Truly believed that they were special, until each one said goodbye. Thank you.